Everyone's obsessed with what AI can do, but few talk about what it's silently doing wrong. Every day, AI systems make millions of decisions that shape our credit, careers, and content, often without oversight. And the scary part is, you might not even know it's failing until it's too late. In this video, I'll uncover 10 hidden AI risks that most organizations completely miss and how to fix them before they destroy trust, revenue, and reputation. Risk number one, data drift. Your model was perfect 6 months ago, but the world changed. Customer behavior, market conditions, even language evolved, and your model did not. That is data drift. When input data slowly deviates from what the model was trained on. Fix it with continuous monitoring. Track model accuracy and alert when drift crosses threshold. Risk number two, label leakage. Sometimes your model cheats by indirectly seeing the answer during training. That is label leakage. It looks smart, but it's just memorizing clues that won't exist in the real world. The result is a false sense of accuracy. Fix it with cross validation and data partitioning discipline. Train, validate, and test on cleanly separated data sets. Risk number three, bias amplification. Bias isn't just in the data, it's in the design. Models trained on historical patterns replicate human inequalities. A hiring AI, for instance, might favor one demographic simply because past data did. Fix it with bias audits, using fairness metrics like demographic parity and equal opportunity and human review checkpoints. Risk number four, model drift and decay. Even if your data is stable, your model may decay due to real world dynamics. Imagine a fraud detection model. Criminals evolve tactics faster than your model updates. Fix this with model retraining pipelines and version control. Treat AI like a software, not art you build once and forgot. Risk number five, hallucinations in generative AI. Generative models like ChatGPT or Gemini can confidently produce wrong information. That's a hallucination when the AI invents facts. Fix it with retrieval augmented generation, RAG, and source grounding to verify outputs before deployment. Always include human review for higher stake use cases. Risk number six, shadow AI and rogue models. Not all AI in your organization is approved. Sometimes teams deploy unmonitored shadow models in production. These are the ticking time bombs of AI governance. Fix this by creating a central AI registry, an inventory of every model in production with ownership, purpose, and risk level. Risk number seven, explainability failure. When AI decisions can't be explained, trust collapses. If your team can't articulate why a model made a decision, you don't control it, it controls you. Fix this with explainable AI tools like SHAP, LIME, or counterfactual analysis, depending on the model type. Risk number eight, security vulnerabilities. AI can be hacked through data poisoning, model inversion, or prompt injection. Attackers can manipulate inputs to alter predictions or extract sensitive data. Fix this with adversarial testing, model hardening, and robust access control policies. Risk number nine, lack of human oversight. Automation is great until it's blind. Without human in the loop review, AI can make irreversible decisions without accountability. Fix this with governance checkpoints. Define when and where humans must intervene, especially in high risk workflows. Risk number 10, ethics gap and cultural blind spots. This is the most dangerous one, not technical but cultural. If your organization sees AI governance as a red tape, not responsibility, it's only a matter of time before failure strikes. Fix this with leadership alignment, ethics council, and a culture where responsibility is innovation. So here's your recap. Monitor for drift. Second, prevent leakage. Third, audit bias. Fourth, retrain continuously. Fifth, ground generative outputs. Sixth, track all AI assets. 7. Demand explainability. 8. Secure your models. 9. Keep humans in the loop. 10. Build a responsible culture. Because governance isn't about slowing down AI, it's about keeping it human aligned. If this helped, drop a comment with your biggest risk you have faced and hit subscribe.